All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at Sandbox really quick, a couple of things I wanted to point out. You can see the support and resistance at all these purple lines here. We're going to start off with this one up here. You can see that there's heavy resistance up here. All these wicks that are wicking up through this 786 here at $1.37. Once the price gets up here, people are selling off. So that's going to be a price to beat in the future. This next one, you can see that all the support here turn resistance, turn back into support. So once you get back up to this 618 to the upside at $1.29, so we'll go from the 618. So $1.27 to $1.37. You got all kinds of selling pressure and selling volume coming in. So that's something you need to watch out for when it does get back up there. It's going to be tough to get over 127, and once you do, it's going to be really tough to get over 137. So just watch those prices there. It seems like a lot of people are just buying and selling in that price range. But with that being said, the first thing you need to do is get over this 236 here at $1.05. You're at 97 cents at the moment. And you can also see that you are sitting at support at the 1618 at 94. So first off, we'll look at the upside. If you do get back up here to the 236 at this purple line, you're looking at about a little over 7.5% to $1.05. That's your first price that you need to get over. But just for the fact that you have support, now that you're below it, it's going to turn to resistance. So the first price you got to beat is this dollar area. You break over $1, then you'll have a shot to get up here to these other prices. But it doesn't look like you're going to get over that. I mean, just for the fact that more often than not, support turns resistance. So you're probably going to come up here to the 236 at this dollar area, and you're probably going to get rejected pretty quick. So you're looking at about, if you do in fact get bought up, a 6.5% move before you get pushed back down on Sandbox here. And with that being said, just watch those prices to the upside. Like I said, $1 you need to get over, and then you'll have a shot at $1.13 up here. And then, of course, the 0.5 at $1.20. And then you get up here to these heavy resistance areas where all that volume comes in, where all that pressure comes in. But for a move down, you can see pretty much this 94 to 90, this 90 cent area needs to hold. So if you do, in fact, come up here and get rejected at the 236 and 90 cents does not hold, you're looking at a drop down here to the 2618, about a 39% move down on Sandbox. But like I said, if you come up here, you could get rejected and come back down here and hold the bottom of this fib for support at 91. So just watch for this 90 cent area to hold for support. If it does not, then you're coming down here to 64 cents at the 2618. So watch the 90 cent area on Sandbox. And for a move up, you need to break over $1. So from where you are right now, if you do fall back down, you're looking at about a 3.5 to 6% move to test this 90 cent support area. So without making this too long, what to watch for: $1 to the upside and 90 cents to the downside. Just watch those two prices there, and then we'll just have to take it from there. But yeah, with that being said, not really much else to say. The Heikinashi, or not the Heikinashi, the RSI, the stock RSI is curled up at the moment. So like I said, you may push up here and get rejected at this dollar at the 236. And actually, let's look at the Heikinashi, and they're extremely bearish on the Heikinashi. So nothing looks good on the Heikinashi candles at all. So it looks like it wants to push lower. So you may have a little bounce here, up here to the dollar area, and then you're going to get quickly rejected. But that's why I said watch $1 to break, and if you do get rejected there, then watch 90 cents, 90, 91. If you break that, then party's over for Sandbox. It's going to come down here to 64 cents, but that may have to do with the rest of the market. You know, it depends on how far Bitcoin. It depends on what Bitcoin's going to do, really. I mean, Bitcoin, the stock market, everything comes into play. Other than that, these things are kind of just going to go sideways. If Bitcoin moves, everything else is going to start moving higher. If Bitcoin falls, then all these things are going to, start taking out their lows and just dropping. So, yeah, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.